I was at the Digital Disruption workshop this morning. It was absolutely fascinating. A great panel of people really addressed the whole spectrum of what's happening with the digitisation of mining. There was a lot of benefit for METS companies there because we were talking to miners for what they want from the METS sector, what we need to deliver, and there was a strong emphasis on creating effective business cases. It's not just about the technology, you've got to sell the benefit to the company, and as an industry we're apparently not as good at presenting business cases as we could be. The key takeaway from the session for me was that the technology is only one part of the picture. It's about the people, the culture, the processes as well, and unless you address it from a systems perspective, technology is just another widget.